Don't you have to go to the bathroom? Huh? I was cleaning it out before when you tried. I think you need to go use it again. Hey, Stache. Come on, Teddy. Tedder. Come on. Don't you need to go use the box? Huh? I think you do. Hey, Stache. Come on, baby. Teddy. Who needs to use the box? Well, the dryer isn't ready yet. Huh? Teddy? I know you're in whisper honk mode, but... Guys, it's not ready yet. I know it's Sunday and everything, but you're gonna have to congregate somewhere else. Right? Okay, that's clean laundry there. Come on, Tedder. Not yet, guys. Not yet. Not yet. Hi, Bindi. Hi, Boo. Yes. These are my two front-loading litter boxes that I have up here near the dryers, and we actually really love them a lot for a myriad of reasons, but mostly they're very easy to clean. They don't get litter everywhere. I'm the only one who gets litter everywhere because when I obviously scoop it out, but Teddy loves to go and do his business. And there he goes, down the hatch. And I just clean them out, and it takes less than, I don't know, 30 seconds to scoop out because I do it every morning and every night. Gives them a lot of privacy. And he's in there digging now. And usually I, again, clean it out twice a day. Good, Tedder! Thank you for being a model to demonstrate the litter boxes that we have. And run away. And you can just basically take off the top. And there, Teddy's done his number one. And I'll scoop it out. Probably let it sit. It's easier to clean out. But again, this is what the top loading litter boxes look like, and you can actually put liners in if you want. I don't like using liners because I'm cleaning them out again 2 times a day, but they're really helpful, and if you can train your cat to use these, it saves a lot of mess, a ton of smell, and they're very easy to maintain. I love them. Please don't worry. We got to take you to the dentist, okay? Dr. Campbell's going to see you. He's going to make your teeth nice and clean. It's going to be over. Don't worry. Soon enough. Mommy's going to be with you. All right, you're all strapped in. Ready to go. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, Stache. I know, baby. Yes. I know. You're singing the song of your people. You gotta go, sweetie. It's okay. All right. Okay, Stache. Yeah. Here we go, baby. All right, let me unbuckle you. Okay. Okay. I know. I know. Hi, good morning. How are you? Stache is going to get his dental. Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah.
Hi, Stache is here, Katerina. Thank you.
Hey, guys. Good morning.
Oh, yeah, I could do.
Hi, Stache.
Hi, Campbell.
That's okay, Stache.
They're here for you. Lucy Campbell.
Hi. Okay, Stache. I will see you later. You're going to do great. Dr. Campbell and everyone is going to take really good care of you. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Bye, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna come pick up Stache. It's 8 o'clock now in the morning, and I'll probably pick him up around 3. So we'll see how he does with his dental cleaning, and hopefully everything goes great. So I'm going to get Stache now, and hopefully everything is okay with him. I think it is. Hi guys.
How are you?
Good. You here to pick up Stache?
Oh, you are?
Yes. Just Stache.
Or you want to go back in? Ken, you gotta go home. Alright?
Hey Stache.
Yeah, I'm stoned. I'm going up. Relax your pants.
Stache.
You're gonna fall and land on your head. Right? Come on. Hey, he's not
All right,
quite
Stache,
sure.
we're going home. I know, baby. I know. All right, we'll be home soon enough. Hang in there, kiddo. Mommy loves you. Dexter, get over here, baby. Yeah. Oh, good one. Good one, Stache. Yeah. Come here, Stache. Everybody loves that you're home. Teddy. What you doing, baby? Ooh. Tail.
I can ruin my sweater.
Trying the Popeyes chicken sandwiches.
I'll watch him. He's got my, he's gonna ruin my sweater.
All right. Bindi, hey, we're gonna try the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Okay, here's mine. But you guys are not allowed to have any of it, okay? Because that's too much of human food. So you can sit here and watch while Mommy eats her sandwich and Pop-Up's having his and Yaya's having hers over there.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a
Feast.
feast, yeah. No, Bindi, you can't have any. Sorry, guys. Stache, where's Teddy? Where is he? Huh?
Some of that cat food that I put out. got out of my
Dexter!
sweater and
Come
I-
on, Dexter!
I smell a fish.
Dexter! Hi, baby. Where's Teddy? Dexter.
Buying a Civic
I'm trying to eat
with
my
the
sandwich.
miles that she has right
Yes. Okay, how many of you guys out there have cats that beg for handouts? We're already done with our Popeyes. See, it's all gone. And of course, Stache and Dexter think that there's going to be a handout here. No, guys, we're all done. You guys ready for sleep? Okay, I'll let you be. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the lights now, alright? So you can nap.
Yeah. Good night. Sleep tight.